Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you a quick update on Crypto.com CRO as well as give a overall overview on the crypto market as a whole. So without further ado, we are at 10,700 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, we are still trading at $29,300. We're in this tight range right now. It's honestly a couple $100 range, but in the short term, but over the past month and a half, we've been pegged in a $1,000 range between 30,000 and 29,000. But the real range for us to be looking at is the price range between 28,200 and 32,700. And it's important that we look at this level because once we touch one of these, the resistance or the support, I should say, if we touch this support and the volume dries up, I expect a capitulation event. And if we do touch this 32,700, it's going to be a very key moment. If we break above, that's going to indicate some big moves coming. And if we get rejected off, then we'll probably be chopping around for more months to come. So it's very important when we reach either the top or the bottom of this channel. But when it really comes down to it and you zoom out and you realize that we're about 10 months leading into the Bitcoin halving and the mainstream media hype for the Bitcoin halving is happening and it's starting to accumulate, it is the time to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. You start to see in the mainstream media lots and lots of talk about Bitcoin coming up, especially like we just had the Barbie movie come out, and the actors talking about Bitcoin and basically promoting Bitcoin, which is kind of strange, but to me that says that it's time to get ready for a big bull market here in the upcoming year. I think in the next 10 months, it's going to line up quite perfectly with the Bitcoin halving. And we're starting to have the Bitcoin spot ETFs from these huge, massive institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity. There's lots and lots of things that are going to hit at the same time. The halving, these ETFs, the regulatory, basically all the regulation that's happening with the governments talking about crypto, and as well as inflation cooling off after all of these rate hikes. I think that it's going to line up quite nicely with this Bitcoin halving to generate a big bull run. And what does that mean for CRO? Well, we've been talking about CRO reaching $1 for a long time, and CRO did reach $1. I believe that as long as CRO survives this bear market, which, let's be honest, guys, we are at the very tail end of the bear market right now. We've gone through the severe panic stages. And I really do believe that if Bitcoin really does make this massive bull market move from all these things aligning up perfectly to create a perfect storm, once again, then I do believe that once we start to trade sideways on Bitcoin, after we make some big moves, you're going to start to see Crypto.com doing some ridiculous moves, moving us up to $1. I think that $1 is priced in. I really do. I do think that we need to break above $1, but I really need to see Crypto.com continue to market their platform and see more utility for their coin without getting completely whacked down to the ground by regulation attacking their CRO coin specifically. Their company, on one hand, it feels like it's very difficult for them to be attacked, but when it comes down to their coin, the purpose of their coin, that is kind of a open wound, I would like to say, that especially how the way that regulation is swaying, that they could attack that, and that could be a piece used against Crypto.com. But I do think that it's going to be fine. We've survived the bear market so far, and I do think that the worst of the bear market is over. So I do expect CRO to do some fantastic things leading into the next bull market and during the next bull market. It may not happen right away. it may take some time for once Bitcoin starts to stabilize, say at new all-time highs, before we start to see some really, really big moves. But don't be surprised when you see Crocoin back at $1 in 2025, or even in the middle of 2024. Don't be surprised, guys. Do not be surprised. But if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. It really helps us out a lot. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month leading into the Bitcoin halving, guys. That's 10 months of $500 giveaways. So you can win a lot of money. It's really, really exciting. But that's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.